On today's video, we're going to be showing you how to remove the side panels on your PS5. Now it's going to be a simple, fast how-to video, just getting straight to the point, no nonsense, so let's jump into it. So the first thing you want to do is pretty much lay your PS5 down. Now if you don't want it scuffed or scratched, and if you're doing this, make sure your hands is clean because you can smell it. It's white, it's easy to stain. Lay something down, something soft, but I ain't too worried about that. So what I'm going to do is lay the PS5 straight down just like so, because the first step of this is removing this bottom stand. Depending on the model you got will depend on this. The newer model PS5s, you can just hand twist them out. The first generation ones, you got to use a screwdriver. You're probably thinking, can I remove this without taking this off? No, you can't. I mean, you could, but you're going to break something. So I think if you paid the price for a PS5, you don't want to break anything on it. You know, even if you got it at retail, you still don't want to break nothing on it. Now, once that's out of the way, take your stand, set it somewhere, set it to the side. Now, I'm going to start, this is the disc version, this is the same on the digital. I'm going to start right here where the PlayStation logo is. I'm going to pretty well put my hand here. With this hand here on the black, you don't want to block this because this pushes forward. And a lot of videos show people just ripping these off. That ain't the way to do it. You want to pry up a little bit while putting pressure this way on it to push it loose from the tabs. Just like so. Mine came off quite easy. Some of them can be a little stubborn. This is the tabs with the hooks. And it hits very simple. To do the other side, oh, I scuffed it a little, I know. Don't hurt it, can't see it, out of sight, out of mind. It's the same way, but where you want to pick up on it is at this end. You don't want to do it here at the disc. Makes it a little difficult. It's doable, but let's just grab it here, pick up a little, and push. Off it comes, just like so. You can see the little tabs. That's the PS5 without its side covers. Now, you can clean your fan out or install some new M.2 storage. I will have separate videos on cleaning the fan and doing the storage later on. That's something you can get subscribed to if you're new to the channel. I'm going to show you now how to install your covers again. Now, if it's a digital version, the only thing different will be you have the disk drive. Other than that, it's the same process. You know, it comes off as easy, come on just as much the same, and I found a bug. Yeah, that's what you get when you live in the country, guys. You get moths. So, let's go ahead and put this back together. Now, you can see the little tabs. You gotta hold this down a little bit, then you will see it just pull down a little. You can see that, it kinda, you want to hold up here this time and then push on the bottom. And it snaps. So now we can pick it up, turn it over, and do the same thing. You can see that side takes a little bit of force than the other side. It's that simple to take your side covers off and reinstall them on your PS5. Now hopefully you find this video helpful and it was very, educational. I try to be as helpful as I can on this channel. If you're new, check the channel out, hit subscribe. If you ain't new, you don't know that I make tons of content and a lot of them is how-to videos. So the PS5, if you needed to upgrade your M.2, clean the fan, that's it. Have more detailed videos on that subject coming soon. This is just one on the side cover. Don't forget, your stand goes back on the same way it came off. And until next time, I'll see you then.